Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to fix iPhone 12 Pro Max. First, I have to turn off the phone. Then you have to open the bottom screw. There is two screws. So I just open it before I show that. And now I'm gonna take up the screen. So you can use this kind of blade things. So I just heat it up. That's why the skin comes up very easy, and it was fixed before. That's why the skin comes up quick. When you open first time, just like push it a little bit hard and be careful. Don't tear the sensor cable because that's very important. And then you have to open, there is 4 screw top of the cable. So I'm gonna open that. And first things, you have to unplug the battery. So that's the first step after open the phone. So yeah, I just open the battery connection, and after that I can open any cable. There is 2 more cables only. Please, if you guys like the videos and if it is help you, if the video help you, please subscribe my channel for next videos. Also, please give me a like, comments and share to get the update and the new videos. See, I open one cable from there and another one from the sensor. So there is only 2 cables, not many. And then there is 4 screws. There is a ear speaker and the sensor face ID. So there is 4 screws. So I'll open that 4 screw. And it's take very easy, like short time to fix iPhone, and very easy to see. If you watch carefully, you can fix it. Just finish it first before you fix. That will be easy for you to fix phone. If you cannot understand first time, let's see again. And there is the connector, so you have to open it, you have to remove it very carefully. There is the sensor. If it is break or tear, whatever you call, then the face ID not gonna work. That's why you do it very carefully. If you need, heat it up, please. If you heat it up, if you have a heat gun, it is comes up very easy. Then I'm removing the extra plastic from the screen, and I have to put it back again. The face ID and the speaker, the ear speaker. Just keep it the right place, and then back up the screw. So put it back the screw. There's 2 different kind of screws. So this side is 2, the other side is 2. And then another 2 screws. And after put it this one, then we can go to connect the screen, the cable. There is 2 things. Now I have to put it back the cable, and when I put it back the cable, I do it very carefully, because if you bend it, it's not gonna work the phone screen, sometimes damage the phone also. So do it very carefully. I did it, and now I put the, and after that, the last step, you have to plug the battery connection. So connect the battery. don't forget to connect the battery. Then if you try to turn on, your phone is not gonna turn on. So now I'm put it back, that 4 screws on there and another 4 on the top. Now I'm put it back the top lids, and there is also 3 or 4 screws. Let's see. Yeah, put it back all the screws. And the replacement cable is a little bit harder, so it's better before you fix it, just bend it a little bit, bend couple times. It will be easy. And I'm gonna put it back together, the screen. So just push it carefully every side. First you have to put it like the top side or like the left side of the phone, then you can press all over the screen, the edge. Probably there is the screw, there is an extra screw, so sometimes you cannot see the screw and it's sticky some places. So before you put it back the screen, check all over the phone. If there is any screw or any metal things, just remove it before you put the screen, otherwise it will be damage your screen. So be careful. If you see any places like a little bit higher, so just fix it back, then put it back the screen. So now I'm gonna put the screen back, and that's the last things. And after that you have to put it back, the screw on the back. Yeah, so this is toe screw here, so I'm gonna put it back, that toe screw. And that's it. So the phone is done. Now I'm gonna turn on the phone.